Weight loss often tops the list of our New Year's resolutions. Setting a realistic weight loss plan where you're making healthier food choices and exercising more can help you achieve your goal. If losing weight is your resolution, set a goal, stay on track and stay motivated. The following are weight loss tips to help you reach your weight loss goal and make your resolution a successful one. And remember, losing weight is a resolution you can make any time of the year. Here are 7 main tips that will help you lose weight. Number 1. Avoid quick weight loss schemes. People often make resolutions to lose weight and turn to quick fixes that may not be right for them. Eating fewer than 800 calories a day drops pounds quickly, but when you return to more normal eating patterns, your metabolism will have slowed and weight will creep back. For most people, I recommend starting with one small change and building healthy eating and activity habits from there. Cutting cooking oil and avoiding fried foods are a good start, so is focusing more on eating fruits and vegetables. Number 2. Check serving sizes. Watch your portions. Serving sizes for pasta, rice, and other packaged foods are often smaller than you'd expect. It can be shocking to measure out a serving and realize we are often eating several servings at each meal or snack. Number 3. No fat-free doesn't mean low-calorie. A low-fat or fat-free food may have fewer calories than its full-fat equivalent, but not always. In fact, added sugar or starches can raise the calorie count. And actually, small amounts of healthy fats, such as avocado or walnuts, can help you feel full sooner, so you eat less overall. Number 4. Try to slow down eating. It takes your body about 20 minutes to send the "I'm full" signal to your brain. When you eat quickly, you tend to eat more. Eat mindfully, chewing every bite 15 to 20 times and enjoying the taste, smell, and texture of your food. Number 5. Drink water before you eat. Water can help curb your appetite. A study found that overweight individuals who drank 2 cups of water before every meal lost more weight than those who did not. Moreover, people often mistake thirst for hunger and reach for a snack when a glass of water is really all they need. Add a small splash of fruit juice or squeeze of lemon to water if you want more flavor. Number 6. Make time to exercise. Healthy eating combined with physical activity can help you to reach and maintain a healthy weight. Getting active is easier than you may think. Find something you like to do, such as walking, swimming, or hiking, and just do it. Mark it on your calendar so you don't make excuses about not having time to exercise. Remember, it's better to do moderate and consistent exercise every day than to try to be a weekend warrior and risk injury or giving up. Number 7. Skip the artificial sweeteners. You may think that choosing a sugar-free yogurt, soda, or coffee creamer will help you lose weight, but many experts say they can often do more harm than good. If you want more videos about this topic, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button.